I didn't know what I got into. Somehow I can't go back if I never really wanted to. So what more can I do? Here in the end it's just me and you. I never wanted to by all the rules, and now in hand I'm playing out the part of the fools. Here we go, you could judge me thoroughly. It's too late for apologies. Go ahead and just hit me since you're able. We know my determination's unstable. I'm not even mad cause of you, I'm dying, but I don't even know why I'm trying. This isn't what I want, yeah, it's what I've asked for. Curiosity over all my morals. I took away our perfect happy ending, resetting the world despite the warning. Right now I'm made of love, I know who you are, you remember who I am. We knew that once in a timeline we had grown to be good friends, and yet I killed your brother without giving him a chance. Every time you throw me down, I hope you kill me once again. So go ahead and hit me since you're able. All of a sudden I was healed myself mobile. I not only hit you once and be over, but the consequences last forever. And the flowers are in bloom and the birds will tell. It's a miserable day, but I burn in hell. You gave me advice, I chose to just sigh, but I know how to make it right. I'm made of love, but I'll give up for you. But I'll give up for you. But I'll give up for you. Love. Hey, my heart's beating faster when I'm out with you. As I die, heartache when I hear you way too. Just a Sunday, it's sweet every time I teach you something new. There's a chance or fate whenever it's just me and you. Don't get the wrong idea. When we touch, it'll never be enough. Is it way too much if you had to choose just one of us? Tell me please, is this what I think or is it just me? Please look up the sweet little dream. We'll be together forever, we're never gonna be apart. Will it be okay if I express my love for you this way? No matter what you do or what you say, we'll be together forever, we're never gonna be apart. We're never gonna be apart. Hey, when I'm next to you I don't know what to do. Doesn't feel so great when our eyes meet out of the blue. I'm sorry, I said too much. Don't really love the way you're right even when you don't have a clue. I wanna hear you say this love that I'm feeling is true. Tasty love, something I want more of. Will it make the cut if you had to choose just one of us? Shall I leave you be? There's a love that will set you free, even if it's not reality. Let's be together forever, we're never gonna be apart. How would I convey my love for you and won't it fly away? I think about it all day, every day. We'll be together forever, we're never gonna be apart. By one they only fall apart. can it be undone? Why can't I just be the one for once? Together forever, we're never gonna be apart. We'll never be together, but forever you'll be in my heart. Hey, hey, my heart's beating when I'm hanging out with you. As I heartache, and I feel you feel the same way too. Just like a Sunday, I see every time I teach you something new. Was that chance or fate whenever it's just me and you? Don't get the wrong idea. When we touch, it'll never be enough. Is it way too much if you had to choose just one of us? Tell me please, is this what I think or is it just me? Please wake up as a sweet little dream, or we'll be together forever, we're never gonna be apart. Will it be okay if I come to my love for you this way? I can't do what you do or what you say, but we'll be together forever, we're never gonna be apart. We're never gonna be apart. Hey, hey, when I'm next to you, I know what to do. Why does it feel so great when our eyes meet out of the blue? I'm sorry I said too much. So I love the way I hate even when you don't have a clue. I want to hear you say this love that I'm feeling is true. Tasty love, something I want more of. Will it make the cut if you had to choose just one of us? Shall I leave you be? Or another thing can allow you free? Or that is not reality. We're together forever, we're never gonna be apart. Will I convey? My time for you is all it fly away. I think about it all day, every day. We'll be together forever, we're never gonna be apart. One by one, they only fall apart. Can it be undone? Why can't I just be the one for once? Together forever, we're never gonna be apart. If you ever be together, but forever you'll be in my heart. Our love story could be kinda gory, far from boring. Meet me at a post-apocalypse. Yeah, I'd be slowly walking in a group stalking you. You'd be the only man alive that I could not resist. Then all of your friends, they try to kill us, but only because they'd be jealous that our love is deeper than Edward and Bella's. Oh, if I were a zombie, I'd never eat your brain. I just want your heart, yeah, I want your heart. I just want your heart, yeah. Oh, if I were a zombie, I'd never eat your brain. I just want your heart, yeah, I want your heart. I just want your heart, yeah, I want you. Be hiding in a second floor apartment, knocking all the stairs down to save your life from the undead. Double barrel shotgun, taking out the slow ones. Then you see the passion burning in my eye, and I'd keep my head And all of your friends, they try to kill us, but only because they'd be jealous that our love is deeper than Edward and Bella's. Oh, if I were a zombie, I'd never eat your brain. I just want your heart, yeah, I want your heart. I just want your heart, yeah. Oh, if I were a zombie, I'd never eat your brain. I just want your heart, yeah, I want your heart. I just want your heart, yeah, I want you. And I try not to bite and affect you because I respect you too much. And that's why I waited until we got married. Oh, and our happiest day would be spent picking off all your friends. And they see a love this deep won't stay buried. If I were a zombie, I'd never eat your brain. I just want your heart, yeah, I want your heart. I just want your heart, yeah. Oh, if I were a zombie, I'd never eat your brain. I just want your heart, yeah, I just want your heart. I just want your heart, 'cause I want you. To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but to know I'm good long you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. And I'm on her morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, I swear to me I got no ceiling. If we let the dangers pass up by, I might get into too much talking. I might have to tell you something. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I say for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. You are, say you are, stay here with me. Stay where you are, stay where you are. Oh, stay you are, stay you are. Stay here with me, right here with me. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I like me. Like me better when I'm with you. Is it dumb? Is it better? Dumb, so baby, but No one asked you. I got myself just a little bit of love that I wanna spend on you, but baby, I'll never get that chance unless I romance with you. I know, 'cause you're always hitting and putting me down. I hope you don't mean what you say, but I keep seeing you sticking around. Like I can't get enough, so I stay. And I wonder how my hand would feel intertwined with yours. As I now go, as my closed doors. My girl's a dead suit and dead. Just saying hi gets me a punch in the face, and I should compliment her. She starts to chase. Hey, that was a direct attack. Oh no, the wildcats found my hiding place. Stupid octopus, take it back. How am I an octopus? How am I a cat? Cats are cute. Go away! Can we get along? You're so headstrong. There's no way, no so long. Just talk to me and you will see. That's not fair, using flair, you dummy. I got myself just a little bit of love that I wanna spend. Not you, cause baby, I'm afraid you'll say that it's not okay with you. Uh-oh, 'cause you're always joking and joking. You look like a clown. I hope you mean what you say. And I wonder what you will think if I let my bird down, let it sing. Could we hold hands, kiss, live our lives in gentle bliss? We could. I'm not talking about you. You're not my prince in this. I'm not a dead suit and dead. I have a jello. I'm not that mean. I'm not blushing. I was just rushing and forgot the sunscreen. Your smile's really cute though. You'll never see it underneath my pigtails. I just want to let you know. Hey. Yeah? Are you okay? Yeah, well, Hey, are you free today? Oh, what do you wanna know? It's not like I like you, okay. I'm cool, where do you wanna go? We can rent a boat and sail, find a bunny and feed it some juicy kale. That's right, Doug said. Okay, well how about classy dinner by candlelight, or scary stories till midnight, so I can hold you tight and get cheated with hungry. Okay, I think you're a little dense. I really don't like all this talk you have in the present tense. Ba-ba-da-ba-da. Cause in here, buddy, it's all just with fantasy you see inside of your head. No! So just say goodbye. Well, whatever. Ba-ba-da-ba-da. I'm not a dancer, it's a dance. Hey, I could kick her butt even in distress. I could dance, so let's just go to the park, I guess. You won't even know what to bring. Oh, come on, will you please just say yes? Jeez. Fine, Baka Taco. It's not like a joy or anything.